Hi everyone, my name is Julian.
And I'm Joseph.
And I'm Radang.
The project we created for UGA Makeathon 2 is a trivia game website called Drop of Hope that aims to donate water to areas of need.
And so, in order to donate water, we have to achieve a perfect score at the end of the game. And once we do, a liter of water is donated to an area in need.
And we happen to come up with 11 questions surrounding the theme of ocean conservation, which need to be answered correctly in order to win the game.
So we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create this website, as well as a CSV file that stored our questions. And right here, we have a help button that explains the game a little bit, as well as liters of water donated. Right here, you can see it's 0 because we haven't gone through the game yet, which will start now.
Yeah. And so, as Julian goes through the game, the background changes if we get a question correctly or incorrectly. And so, we're doing this kind of quickly, but it kind of the questions really go through just some information about water conservation, what we can do potentially just to make the world, like kind of the waters and the oceans, a little bit of a greener place. Um, and that said, the questions, there's going to be 11 questions, but we're not expected to get all the questions correctly. As you see, we only got 5 out of the 11 questions correctly. And so that means because we didn't get a perfect score, the liters of water, the increment didn't increase. And so we can always retry again, restart as many times as necessary. And hopefully after a couple of times or after even one time, we'll be able to donate a liter of water to those in need.
And for future iterations, we are planning to make the game shorter with a randomized set of questions. Plus, we are glad to take any suggestions for future improvements on the project.
Yeah. And so also another thing that might stand out is that we chose liters of waters instead of maybe bottles of waters. And the reason why is because we really didn't want to be counterintuitive to or counterproductive to the whole idea of ocean and water conservation and sustainability. And that's because we don't want to add more plastic trash into the oceans. And I don't think the Pacific garbage patch needs to grow any larger. And so we chose to donate liters of water. And so what would happen is more than likely, over time, we gather a large mass of water after many implementations of the game are completed with a perfect score. And then we'll donate it at once in several chunks rather than just bottle per bottle.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.